Managing to squeeze a proper fixed bed, a full flex bathroom, and a luxury kitchen into a footprint smaller than some family SUVs sounds impossible, but it isn't. Which is why this small camper van is a masterpiece. Meet the Malibu Van Compact 540DB. It is one of the shortest full-featured camper vans on the market, and the engineering inside is going to shock you. Let's take a look.
Motorhome luxury.
Starting with the price, $98,000 to $102,000 for a well-equipped base model, though fully loaded examples with the family for 4 pop top and all the premium packages can reach $114,000. However, this isn't just any other camper van. It's a precision-engineered German masterpiece from the Carthago Group, and you're paying for craftsmanship that rivals motorhomes twice its size. Let's begin with the Malibu Van Compact 540DB's first and most striking highlight, which is its ultra-compact size. It measures just 17 feet and 9 inches in length, making it barely longer than a luxury sedan. It's about 6 feet 10 inches wide and stands 8 feet 6 inches tall, though with the optional family for 4 pop-top roof, that height increases to 8 feet 10 inches. Just try to wrap your head around this. This vehicle fits comfortably into standard car parking spaces and navigates city streets like your everyday vehicle. All the interior cleverness we're about to see, packed into a van that handles like a nimble urban runabout. What type of German sorcery is this? This masterpiece is built on the trusted Fiat Ducato F35 light chassis with a medium 135-inch wheelbase. Under the bonnet, you'll find a 2.2-liter diesel multi-jet 3 engine, pushing out 140 horsepower and 258 foot-pounds of torque as standard. However, for those who want serious mountain climbing punch, there's a 180 horsepower upgrade available. While the standard transmission is a manual, many buyers opt for the state-of-the-art 9-speed ZF automatic transmission. This isn't the clunky gearbox of the past. It's buttery smooth, making stop-and-go city traffic or highway cruising an absolute dream. The vehicle sits on 16-inch alloy wheels. Now let's walk around to the driver's side. This is where you'll find your main service points neatly integrated into the design. The mains hookup point is conveniently located for campsite connections, and you'll spot the flue for the Truma Combi heating system. This van comes equipped with either the Truma Combi 4 or the upgraded Combi 6, which can run on gas and electric or even diesel and electric, keeping you toasty even in freezing conditions. The cassette toilet access is positioned here as well, and this is where Malibu's clever design really shines. The toilet itself swivels and glides forward under the dinette when not in use, creating more shower space. But we'll get to that magic trick in a moment. You'll also find the fuel filler cap here, positioned behind the driver's door for security, with the AdBlue filler holding 5 gallons right next to it. Everything is flush-fitting, maintaining the vehicle's aerodynamic profile and giving it that premium finished look. Coming around to the rear, you're greeted by classic barn doors that open to reveal the garage space underneath the bed. On the left side of the garage, you will find the gas storage compartment that is designed to hold 2 11-pound propane cylinders. This smaller capacity makes sense because the primary heating comes from the Truma Combi system, which can run on diesel, reducing your reliance on LPG. The locker is sealed and properly vented, keeping everything safe and compliant with regulations. If you look up, you'll spot the reversing camera lens neatly integrated into the high-level brake light housing, giving you a bird's-eye view when backing into those tight scenic spots. The roof deserves special mention here. The standard model has a sleek metal high roof design, but there's an optional family for 4 hybrid pop-up roof available. This isn't your typical flimsy pop-top. It's constructed from ultra-sturdy glass-reinforced plastic with a special Protect coating against hail damage. Weighing just 231 pounds, it's lightweight yet incredibly durable, transforming this 2-person couple's van into a 4-berth family adventurer without significantly increasing the vehicle's footprint or compromising its stealthy, car-like appearance. On the passenger side, the main feature is the large sliding door with an integrated high-quality fly screen, an absolute must-have for summer evenings. Below the door, you'll find an electric thule step that buzzes out to welcome you inside. This side also houses the freshwater fill point. The freshwater tank has a generous 21-gallon capacity, which is impressive for this size class. The wastewater tank, insulated and mounted underneath, holds about 24 gallons, and the dump valve is located here. A simple twist handle that you can operate without hunting around in the mud. All in all, the exterior is finished with Malibu's signature premium flush-fitting premium windows that not only look stunning, but provide excellent insulation and significantly reduce wind noise compared to standard caravan windows. Now let's slide open the door and see what awaits us inside. Step inside through that sliding door, and the genius of Malibu's space utilization hits you immediately. You're greeted by walls and ceiling lined with a luxurious microfiber climate-regulating covering. No cold, bare metal here. This premium material dampens sound, keeps the interior temperature stable, and creates an upscale ambiance that you'd expect in a far larger motorhome. The headroom in the living area is an impressive 6 feet 3 inches, so even taller folks can move around comfortably. Coming to the lounge area, you'll find a forward-facing bench seat on one side and the 2 swiveling captain's chairs from the cab that rotate 180 degrees to join the living space. These aren't basic seats. They're upholstered in the same premium living area fabric with padded armrests and tilt adjustment, making them genuinely comfortable for long drives and relaxed evenings. The bench seat is thoughtfully designed to accommodate 2 people comfortably, complete with ISOFIX points for child seats, making this a practical family vehicle with 4 belted seats total. The table features a clever swing-out extension leaf that rotates to reach between the bench and captain's chairs, allowing 4 people to dine comfortably. When you're not eating, the table can be unclipped or repositioned to create more floor space. Beneath the bench seat, there's generous storage, and here's something special: a double floor section with a bilge hatch and high-quality hinges. This provides a cellar-like compartment for shoes, heavy items, or wet gear, keeping the main living space clutter-free. It's accessible with one-touch access, making it incredibly convenient. Overhead, you have sturdy storage lockers with proper metal hinges. The lighting is absolutely exquisite, with ambient LED strips creating multiple moods and focused reading lights positioned perfectly for evening relaxation. And there's a large 20-inch by 28-inch midi-Heki skylight above that floods the space with natural light during the day. Malibu also includes cab blinds. Not those fiddly suction cup affairs, but proper Remus pleated blinds that slide out from the pillars to black out the windscreen and side windows in seconds. Moving to the kitchen along the near side, you might expect compromises in a van this compact, but Malibu refuses to settle for mediocrity. The galley is genuinely impressive. You get a premium 2-burner gas hob with electric spark ignition and a glass lid that covers it when not in use to expand your worktop. Next to it is a deep stainless steel sink, and here's a clever detail. The sink cover is a split design that doubles as a cutting board. There is also a convenient flip-up countertop extension at the end of the kitchen block to maximize your workspace. It's these little touches that demonstrate German engineering at its finest. The kitchen storage is fantastic. You have 3 large deep drawers with soft close mechanisms. There's a dedicated cutlery drawer already organized for you, and top lockers provide even more space. You'll also find a spice rack shelf integrated into the wall, keeping your culinary essentials at hand, and multiple power points: 3 230-volt sockets, 1 12-volt socket, and USB charging points. So you're never hunting for somewhere to plug in your devices. Now the refrigerator. This is a 22-gallon compressor model with a 1.6-gallon freezer compartment. Seriously impressive capacity for a van this size. Being a compressor fridge, it cools down rapidly and isn't dependent on the vehicle being perfectly level, which is a huge bonus for wild camping. It's positioned at the end of the kitchen block, adjacent to where the aisle narrows near the bedroom. This placement could have been problematic, but Malibu has cleverly extended the kitchen floor slightly into the washroom area, so if you step back, fridge access becomes easy even when someone's using the bathroom. Speaking of the bathroom, this is where the compact 540dB designation really shines, and where Malibu's designers have been truly inventive. At first glance, you see what looks like a standard shower cubicle with frosted privacy doors. It's a good-sized space with twin drains in the floor, a roof vent above, and enough room to actually shower without your elbows hitting the walls. No curtain clinging to you here. But wait, where's the toilet? Here's the magic. The cassette toilet is mounted on a clever swiveling mechanism. When you need the loo, it rotates out smoothly to create a comfortable toilet compartment. But when you want to shower, you simply swivel it away completely into a recess under the seating area. This vanishes the toilet from the shower floor, giving you a spacious, fully enclosed shower cubicle. This flex bathroom concept is genius, as it allows Malibu to fit a proper wet room into a space where most manufacturers would force you to choose between a claustrophobic booth or a curtain sticking to your leg. The wash basin is another clever piece of engineering. It hinges out from the wall when needed, providing a proper sink for washing, then tucks away when you want maximum shower space. Behind the mirrored doors, there's generous storage with an open shelved area featuring a fiddle rail to stop items sliding off. You also get additional storage for toiletries, towels, and bathroom essentials. Moving to the rear, we find what many consider the 540dB's crowning achievement, the bedroom. In a van only 6 feet 10 inches wide, how do they fit a bed that adults can actually sleep in comfortably? They use subtle body wideners, essentially ears on the sides of the van that carve out precious extra inches. The result is a transverse double bed measuring approximately 6 feet 3 inches in length and 4 feet 7 inches wide at one end, tapering to 4 feet 2 inches at the other. But here's what makes this bed truly special. The access height is just 25 inches off the floor. This means no ladder, no awkward climbing, no knee-jarring drops in the middle of the night. You simply sit on the edge and lie down, just like at home. The mattress itself is a genuine 7-zone cold foam quality mattress resting on a ventilated slatted frame. This is proper orthopedic support, not just a foam pad on plywood. Many owners report better sleep in this bed than in their main residence. Storage in the bedroom is incredible. You have a ring of overhead cupboards running along the sides and back, providing massive amounts of space for clothes, gear, and personal items. There's even a large linen cupboard for bedding. Underneath the bed is the garage, and the bed frame is cleverly split, allowing you to lift one or both sides to access this space or transport tall items like bicycles during transit. The garage is heated, lit with LED strips, and features lashing rails to secure your cargo. There's often a removable double floor system here too, allowing you to separate muddy outdoor camping furniture from your clean luggage. You'll also find easy access to the Truma Combi boiler, the frost protection valve, and the water drain taps in this area. Everything is designed for owner-friendly maintenance. Above the bed, there's a mini Heki skylight that provides ventilation and natural light. While this compact 540dB model prioritizes an open, airy feeling over the solid room-dividing door found in its larger siblings, the layout still offers a cozy sleeping zone. You can even sit up in the Malibu's bed to read. It's remarkable how Malibu has created this hotel-like bedroom experience in such a compact footprint. Now let's move to the driver's cab. The Fiat Ducato cab features premium upgrades including a leather steering wheel, chrome-ringed instruments, and a fully digital cockpit with a 10.1-inch touchscreen. This includes Motorhome-specific navigation, DAB+ radio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The reversing camera, full air conditioning, and high seating position make this feel more car than campervan to drive. The swiveling captain's chairs feature padded armrests and height adjustment, while an overhead cabinet stores the dining table during transit. Everything feels solid and built to last. No surprise given Malibu is part of the Carthago Group, famous for Germany's most luxurious motorhomes. The build quality includes 0.8-inch insulation panels in the roof and floor, plus cold bridge-free walls, translating to genuine 4-season capability and quiet touring. The Malibu Van Compact 540DB is, all in all, the perfect balance between car-like mobility and genuine camper comfort. It drives like a vehicle half its size and feels like a boutique hotel in a package that you can park at the supermarket without a second thought. So, with all these features and that premium engineering, is this campervan really a masterpiece? Let us know in the comments. Want to see another campervan with innovations that push boundaries? If so, click on it and we will see you soon at a new luxury motorhome.